Okay, we're done filming.
Raz.
Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved both of these eyebrow looks. As you guys can see by the title, this is my eyebrow tutorial with makeup and without makeup. So I hope you guys will enjoy and tune into the video, and I guess I'll see you guys again at the end. Bye! Okay guys, so jumping straight in, I will be going in with this eyebrow set from Icing. Honestly, as you guys can see, I don't use this palette at all. I only use it for the eyebrow gel or eyebrow wax. I only apply this to my eyebrows when I want long-lasting brows, I guess. So that's that. And I also feel like it makes like the product on my eyebrows and just my hairs like stand up longer and make the product like sit on my eyebrows better. So yeah. Ultimate Brow. It's a retractable brow pencil in the shade 626A Ash Brown, and it also comes with a built-in spoolie, the one I was using in the previous clips. This brow pencil, I love it a lot. I got it from Target. I will link everything in this video down below, but I definitely loved the application. It glided very well with the eyebrow wax, even though I usually use it without it. Full wear more than concealer. This concealer honestly is very bright. It's in the shade 380 Pecan. It's honestly very bright, but it does the job when it comes to my eyebrows. I'm honestly in need of a new one, but I will link this down below. I honestly do love this concealer though, and I feel like it works really good with my brows, especially when I use like less of it and I just apply like a little line underneath my brows, like when I'm doing like a regular like quick brow, quicker than this brow routine. It comes out really nice, but I would only use it for my brows. I wouldn't use it for like a full face of makeup because of how bright it is. I also tried to look for different shades, but I just feel like they don't match as well for my brows like this one does, but I would definitely keep looking. But as for now, this is my go-to concealer for my brows. makeup journey, to be honest. I don't wear makeup that often. For those of you into makeup, I know you're probably like, these are some old collections, and that's because I honestly don't do my makeup like that. I only do my eyebrows on a good day. But I feel like, not to sound like that, but like, you know, I feel like my natural face is enough for me. So unless I'm like going out and I'm like, okay, let me do my eyebrows, you won't catch me with makeup on. So this isn't exactly a full face makeup for me.
You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
Concealer by CoverGirl. It's from the Queen collection. It's the Natural Hue liquid makeup. It's in the shade Q720 Toffee Caramello. And honestly, I'm due for another one. Y'all see the cap, right? Okay. She's busted. She's done. She needs help very much. This isn't exactly a full face foundation for me. More so just a foundation I apply to my brows and kind of lightly spread around my face to make everything blend, to be honest. But overall, I do like the consistency of it, but I definitely will try to find a different foundation. I'm on the foundation hunt, like an overall upgrade of my makeup collection, so tune in for that video. That will be coming very, very soon. Speaking of foundation, I'll also be going in with this Revlon Color Stay 24-hour wear foundation for normal and dry skin. I have very sensitive skin, but my skin is also very dry. But I also have combination skin, so this probably ain't for me. But I still use it because it has SPF 20 and FPS 20. It's in the shade 600 Cinnamon. And I don't know how to pronounce that bottom word. I'm not even gonna try. It has a natural finish. So I literally only use this if I'm doing like eyeshadow with my brows. That's why I included it in this eyebrow tutorial video, as if I was doing a full face of makeup. This is what I would use. Following up, I'll be going in with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow makeup stick. It's a contour stick, but I don't use it as that. I have two different shades of these, but I'm using the shade 804A Oaks on You. And honestly, this is only for when I'm like doing like quick touch-ups with my brows in my brow routine. So if I'm going somewhere and I'm like, okay, well, let me just put on like a light kind of shade of quote-unquote foundation or something to brighten like my upper face area, then I would apply this with the foundation. But it is also cruelty-free. And I have a few of these, to be honest, in a lots of different shades. You guys will probably see them future wise, but I'm definitely gonna look for another. I kind of use it like a highlighter, so I'll definitely look for another highlighting type of whatever, you know. And lastly, what I would use to kind of clean up my brows if I'm not doing a full face of makeup, I would use the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner and or witch hazel. So usually I'll either mix the two or I'll just use one or the other to kind of clean up my brows. Most likely I'll use witch hazel, but I didn't include that in this video because I was like, why? Hey guys, Editing Janae here. I honestly overestimated myself with this voiceover. Don't let past me fool y'all, okay? That was not it. That voiceover, I made it a lot more complicated than what it really needed to be. Never again. Even though I have like 3 more voiceover videos coming, never again. Or maybe I'll just find a different like alternative way. But yeah, it wasn't it. It was not giving, y'all. But I tried, and that's all that matters. And we're gonna get back to the video because yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for listening to this voiceover and watching my eyebrow tutorial. So this eyebrow is without makeup and this eyebrow is with makeup. And when I say that is like if I'm doing a full face of makeup. We're back close again. Do you guys see this pimple? Oh my god. I swear it looks way more yellow on camera than it does in person. This foundation blends fine. But this is if I was to do a full face of makeup, the eyebrow would come out something like this. And then if I was just doing a regular schmegular day and I wanted like an outline to brighten my eyebrow, this would be this look. But yeah, these are the 2 eyebrow looks that I generate as my eyebrow routine if I'm doing either or. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys as always in the next video. To love.